Hey, it's Jory, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a super easy, refreshing, elevated highball, calling it the Spring Pear Splash and Soda. Let's dive in. We're gonna start by adding ½ ounce of rosemary syrup. This is just simple syrup, cooked down with fresh rosemary, so 1-to-1 sugar and water. Can't get much easier than that. We're gonna follow that up with ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice, balance out the sweetness with the citrus. And then we're gonna add a full ounce of pear nectar. I think pear is an underappreciated ingredient. It's really got a beautiful, elegant, kind of subtle flavor that pairs super well with the rosemary and the lemon. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces of London dry gin. You, of course, can swap this out for your spirit of choice, but I think this one works the best. We're gonna top that up with some soda water. That's where some of that refreshing aspect comes from. And then we're gonna add some ice. Already got the first half of our garnish on there. It's this cute little fresh rosemary clip, but we're going to add a dehydrated lemon wheel as well. There you have it. The Spring Pear Splash Soda. This one is super refreshing. I'm telling you, pear is such a wonderful ingredient. You're gonna love it. Cheers. Head to your local BCL and grab all your ingredients.